Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to share your printer over the network in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings, click Devices. Click Printers and Scanners. Select your printer, click Manage. Click Printer Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Change Sharing Options. Check Share this printer. Click Security tab. Make sure everyone user having allow print permission. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Type ipconfig to find your IP address. Type \\/ IP address of connected printer computer. Right-click Connect. Click Install driver. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Devices and Printers. Right-click your printer, click Set as Default Printer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.